Hi guys, pag-usapan natin today, how to factor perfect square trinomial. Pero tapusin muna natin ang aking intro. Before we factor perfect square trinomial, i-recall muna natin yung square of binomial. Then, i-relate natin bakit kailangan natin siyang i-recall. I will show you again the pattern for squaring a binomial. So we have x plus y squared or x plus y times x plus y. Then we have x minus y squared. So tandaan, dahil siya ay part of special products, hindi na natin kailangang mag-multiply using the long method. Ang kailangan na lang nating i-follow ay itong steps na to. So we have square of the first term or x squared. Then, product of the first and the last term. Then multiply it by 2 or twice it. So we have positive xy times 2 or positive 2xy. Then, square of the last term or y squared. Ito na ngayon yung kanyang product. Then for our x minus y, we have x squared. Then the product of x and negative y is negative xy times 2 or negative 2xy. Then, square of the last term, we have negative y times negative y or positive y squared. So, etong dalawang to, eto ngayon yung tinatawag natin na perfect square trinomial. Masasabi mong perfect square ang trinomial kapag, number 1, ang first term niya ay perfect square or merong square root. The same as with the last term. And then, pangalawa, take note na kapag kinuha natin ang square root ng first term at ng square root ng last term at minultiply natin siya sa 2, ang sagot ay yung middle term. So, halimbawa, square root ng x squared ay x, square root ng y squared ay y, so that is xy, then twice it, that is 2xy. So, pag ganun ang case, ibig sabihin, yung given mo ay perfect square trinomial. So, yun lang ang kailangan nyo i-check mamaya. Then, ang pagpa-factor ay madali na. So, let us have an example para mas maintindihan. For the first example, we have x squared plus 12x plus 36. So, for number 1, x squared, meron tayong square root niyan. 36, perfect square din yan. Next, positive 12x. So, siya ba ay product or twice ng product ng square root ng first and the last term? So, tingnan natin. Square root of x squared is x and square root of 36 is 6. So, x times 6, we have 6x. Then, twice mo yon or multiply mo siya sa 2. 6x times 2, we have 12x. So, kung yun ang case, ibig sabihin, etong given natin ay perfect square trinomial. So, pwede na natin siyang i-factor. Napakadali lang po ng step, basta ma-check natin na siya ay perfect square. Ang gagawin lang natin, since siya ay galing sa square of binomial, ang kanyang factor ay 2 binomial na magkapareho ng term. So, we have, first step, get the square root of the first term, or x. Then, the square root of the last term is 6. Then, ang ipa-follow natin na sign ay sign ng middle term or positive. Then, after that, square mo lang. Or, pwede rin naman, kung ang ilalagay mo ay yung expanded form na x plus 6 and x plus 6. So, pareho lang po yun. Okay, next. For number 2, check ulit natin para masanay kayo how to check kung siya ba ay perfect square. Okay, so meron tayong square root ng x squared at saka 4. Then, ang square root ng x squared ay x. Ito naman ay 2. So, that is 2x. Then, itwice natin siya. So, we have 4x. So, after that, factor na lang natin. Square root ng x squared ay x. Then, square root ng 4 ay 2. Then, ang sign ng middle term natin ay negative. So, yun ang ating susundin. Then, squared. Squared or ilalagay natin na x minus 2, x minus 2. Pareho lang yon. Next, number 3. So, this time, meron tayong numerical coefficient sa ating first term. So, ganun pa rin. 4x squared, that is a perfect square. Then, positive 9, perfect square pa din. Take note pala na ang ating perfect square trinomial ay walang negative sa last term. Ibig sabihin, dun pa lang pwede nyo na siyang i-check kung siya ay perfect square o hindi. Kapag negative yan, ibig sabihin, hindi na kaagad yan perfect square. So, proceed tayo. Kung ito ay perfect square, pareho. Ang square root ng ating 4x squared ay 2x. At ito naman ay 3. Then, kapag minultiply natin ang 2x at ang 3, that is 6x. Then, twice natin ang 6x, so that is 12x. So, meaning, number 3 is also a perfect square trinomial. So, factor na natin siya by getting the square root of the first term, which is 2x, and then square root ng last term, which is positive 3. Then, we have positive sa ating sign. So, ito na ang ating mga sagot. For number 1, pinakita ko lang yung kanyang expanded form para makita nyo na siya ay pareho lang ng meaning or same din siya kapag in-expand natin si number 2 and number 3. Okay, for the last 2 examples that we have, I'll give you time para i-check muna bakit siya ay naging perfect square. Siyempre, given na yan ay perfect square talaga kasi yan yung topic natin today. Pero I want you to check pa rin para ma-sure nyo na perfect square talaga. Then after that, ibibigay na natin diretso yung kanyang factors. Let us answer. Okay, for number 4, we have square root of 9x squared is 3x. And then, square root of 16y is, or 16y squared is 4y. And then, ang ipa-follow natin na sign ay positive. Then, squared. Then, last for number 5, we have square root of x squared is x. Then, square root of the last term is 15. Then, the sign is negative. Then, squared. Okay, that's it. So, ganyan lang kadali ang pagpa-factor ng perfect square trinomial. So, again, I hope meron kayong natutunan sa lesson natin na to. And, abangan nyo kasi yung susunod nating i-discuss for the next video is how to factor general trinomial. So, thank you guys for watching.